Hello, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome back to my channel. And in my last video, I taught you how to make rose flower and leaf with that Fevicryl molded. And I told you this that I'm gonna make my flower pot with those flower which I taught you. So if you see, this is how I attached it. So few I have still left because rose and flower I told you how to make it. One rose I have kept it over here to show you how to attach it. Where's the flower? Where is the rose? Okay, it's over here. So, okay, it's very easy to attach. So you don't. After that, I'm gonna attach some leaf also. I made this also. I dried this one because it's very hard to attach it when it's not dry, right? So without wasting time, and this one over here is really easy to make. What you have to do, you have to take this molded, small, very small amount, just roll it. Once it's done, press it hard and give a shape, like V like a drop. It's like a drop. You make drop, right? And it's done. It's very easy. Okay, now I'm gonna teach you how to attach this one because I'm using Fevicol SH synthetic resin adhesive. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, the place I have to attach, I'm gonna apply my Fevicol over this side, right? This one is real high. I'm gonna. Okay, like this. Actually, I'm just sitting down, so you can see how I'm doing it. I cannot keep my pot on top because I'm in my studio and it's a makeup studio. So what you have to do, you have to keep it like this. Don't press it hard because I know it's gonna break. So what you have to do, you have to take small quantity of molded and on the end of this, just attach it. Just attach it so it should not fall. So what you have to do, as I told you कि आपको जितने भी फ्लावर वगैरह हैं ये सब ड्राई होने के बाद ही चिपकाने. Once it is hard enough, it just should not go anywhere. But this leaf you have to attach when it's not dry, okay? Because once it will dry, it will not get attached. What you have to do, you have to apply Fevicol on the back one side, and the first thing you have to attach it in the tip of this one, so you can see this, right? It has to be like this. Oh no, I have to remove this one because I'm feeling as if. So what I have done, I have already made loads of leaf over here. I'm very smart in it. So I'm gonna attach it over here. It's very easy. You don't press it very hard, or else it is gonna lose its shape, for sure. It is going to lose its shape. मुझको सनम तुम मेरा नाम भी भूल गए कुछ भी नहीं याद करना. Press it properly, don't leave it, just press it. क्यों होया मेरे कोलों Yes, that's the problem. Even if you are not, आपकी mistake भी ना हो ना, जिसको जाना होगा वो जाएगा. जिसको टिकना होगा टिकेगा, जिसको जाना होगा जाएगा. इसलिए don't take the big stress. Okay, very small, like a ball, and attach it over here because that one was easy to attach, not this one. It's like because ये dry होने के बाद थोड़ा इधर उधर shape चला गया इसका, so attach it so it should not go anywhere, right? See? If you see, it's done. Okay, for the flower, for the rose one, what we have to do is take a bit more quantity of this, attach it on the back of your rose. Because your rose is dry, it's like solid. It won't go anywhere. So you take it and you just press it. Ta-da! It's done. So what you have to do is we're gonna attach now leaves. Same thing goes for, because my leaf is still not dry, so it's not hard. So we can attach it like this also. If I mean, yeah, I'll show you guys. Just wait. Okay, it's done. I have to take my table over this side, but okay, this is the leaf I made. So because it's not dry till now, so you can give a shape. So you take this part, press it where you feel it's not gonna fall. Just press it. Okay, this one. And I'll tell you what, I have attached both the wrong side because I have made shape over this side. But I'm gonna make the shape, no problem. There is not a problem out of this. You take it, give a shape. It's very easy. Okay, then bring back your leaf to the life. And this one, I'm gonna attach it over here. मैं खुश दिल बुलिया तेरी just press it on the back and hold it, press it, hold it, feel. इधर से भी आपको लगता है वो साइड थोड़ा चौड़ा होना चाहिए, उस साइड आप प्रेस कर दो. If I press it over this place, my leaf will go like this. But I wanted to give you a 3D texture kind of effect, so I'm not doing that. Okay, so these are left over. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another leaf because I think with leaf they will look much better. Extra leaf. And why to waste it actually? Point is that, why to waste it when it's there? Use it. इसको चुराना होगा नजर आईने से, हर जगह से चुरा लिया. तो अभी नोटियाल की भी कोई सुनने वाली है. Really? Yes, you will, for sure. I need to say where I have to attach. I think this is the part I need to attach more quickly. And I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna attach it over here. This part. Right? And whatever is left over, just attach it. Don't waste it. अगर ऐसा नहीं कि बिल्कुल भस्स कर दो कि जरूरत नहीं है तब भी जब से डालते जाओ don't do that. If you feel कि यार हाँ, because मुझे लग रहा है it is kind of empty over here, so I'm attaching. वरना I would have not. This is very frank. तो दे मिसाल तुम देना ही पड़ेगा भाई. Okay, this thing. अच्छा, I'll tell you one thing. I made this flower and I told you in my that last video कि आप इसको कट कर दीजिए. You don't need extra. But मैं इसको कट करना भूल गई and it got dry. Once it is dry, there is no profit because ये अब कहीं लग नहीं सकता ना, क्योंकि ये सबसे बाहर हो रहा है. If you see, it's out of proportion. It's all out. So it got wasted. I wasted one flower. And now coming to the point. So what we have to do is we will apply. It's a black paint of Aqualite Premium Enamel Gloss. So you have to apply. Oh, I just dropped it. Just apply it. I'm already done with the paint on the back side of my pot. I just wanted to show you guys. So I didn't apply over here. So I'm gonna stand and I'm gonna apply it over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause you. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to tell you one thing. कि जब आप रोज भरेंगे ना, तो ऐसे 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 मत कीजिएगा, मेक श्योर कि आप इस तरह से डैब करें ताकि वो अंदर अंदर तक पूरा जा सके। मैं इसको ब्लैक से इसलिए कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मैं इस पर सिल्वर और गोल्डन कलर से फूक मार के फूक मार पे इस पे कलर I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna use the powder form, not the spray or anything else, because I feel that look much better, much beautiful. But make sure कि कहीं से कलर छूटे ना, हाँ. So I'm gonna pause you because I've already taken it 10 minutes, so sorry for that. I'm still doing it. I forgot to tell you that I learned this pot painting when I was in 8th standard. Okay, and like it's been ages now, so I still remember the different. उस वक्त हम लोग क्या करते थे, उस वक्त ये नहीं आता था this molded. It was not available that time because I was very very young, too young to do all this thing. I was the youngest among all because बाकी तो सारी हमारे यहाँ यूनिट आती थी तो उनकी वाइफ्स वगैरह they used to learn and they were actually आर्मी की जो आर्मी में सोल्जर्स की जो वाइफ होती है ना दे वो उनसे ज़्यादा टैलेंटेड आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई होता बिकॉज उनको सब कुछ आता है, सब कुछ आता है. दे नो एवरीथिंग. They know how to stitch, they know how to do embroidery, they know how to do, you know, beautician thing and all this. चाहे basic, they learn basic and all, but they are good in everything, right? So I learned it when I was in 8th standard. तो उस वक्त क्या था, ओके ये clay वगैरह ये it was that molded was not available. Clay was available लेकिन clay टूट जाता था. तो हमें सिखाया गया था कि आप अखबार भिगा दो 5-6 दिन तक. वी यूज टू हम लोग पानी में ना अखबार भिगा देते थे, पॉलीथिन के अंदर अखबार डालते थे, उसमें पानी भर देते थे और हफ्ते भर के लिए अखबार छोड़ देते थे, वो गल जाता था. तो हम क्या करते थे उसमें खाने वाला गोंद, फेविकॉल, अखबार और वो आता था एक पाउडर आई फॉरगॉट वाइट सीमेंट पाउडर और समथिंग ऐसा कोई पाउडर था. तो हम उसको मिक्स करते थे और उसको फिर हम लोग पॉलीथिन के अंदर डाल के पहले अखबार के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े करके उसमें डालते थे और फिर उसको पत्थर से पीटते थे पॉलीथिन को और उसको लिटरली जैसे आटा होता था ना वैसा बनाते थे. इट्स वेरी अखबार के पीसेस के कारण ना इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू कि वो हो जाए, तो अखबार के कारण ही ज़्यादा टाइम लेता था. तो हमने इस तरह से यूज़ किया. अभी तो एक चीज़ है कि आप जाओ मोल्डेड लेके आओ, आप मोल्डेड को और हार्डनर को मिक्स करो एंड योर क्ले इज़ रेडी एंड इट्स रियली गुड क्ले. आपका ये मोल्डेड बहुत अच्छा है एक्चुअली बिकॉज ये टूटता नहीं है और वो वाला भी वैसे होता था सेम, पर उसका एक प्लस पॉइंट था कि अगर आपका वो सूख भी जाए ना तो आप उसमें दोबारा पानी वो गोंद का खाने वाले गोंद को उबाल के ले जाते थे. पानी गोंद ना उसको उसी पानी से मिक्स होता था, नॉर्मल पानी से मिक्स होता था. तो उस पानी से आप दोबारा उसको मिक्स कर सकते थे, दोबारा तोड़ मतलब दोबारा पत्थर से मार मार के दोबारा बना सकते थे वो प्लस पॉइंट. Okay, I'll do one thing. Once I'll finish this one, then I'll come. I've already taken it 13 minutes. So once again, back to my channel. Once again, I'm telling you, this painting is done. If you see, it's all black and it's looking beautiful. If you actually see, it is really looking beautiful. So what we're gonna do? I've taken this Chantara brand special aluminum decorative powder. So what I'm gonna do? This is the silver powder, which is just going out. So I don't know how to show it because I kept it. I'm gonna cut this thing. Okay. So what I'll do? Ouch! I've taken a silver one. I'm taking silver and golden in one line. I kept it like this and same, and I'm all messed up. I'm so sorry for that. I keep on saying sorry. You guys really need to forgive me, right? Okay. I'm gonna keep golden also over this side, like this. Okay. So what we're gonna do is if you see, I have made a line. So what you have to do, which I have learned, that's what you have to roll it and you have to blow it out. आपको फूक मारना है, बहुत जोर से नहीं मारना है, हल्के से, so it can go and it can attach, right? Oh my god, it is too hard actually. I'm doing it after ages, yeah, years. If you see, it's coming, right? And the silver golden powder is it's just everywhere in my studio now. Oh my god. I'm sure my face is also full of this now. Oh my god, it just came on my face. My face is still okay. But this thing, oh my god, it is just glowing in my face. Oh my god, it's done. Okay, this thing is done, and the only thing we have to do is ta-da! So what we will do, because we don't want any extra over here, so what we will do, we'll paint whatever is extra on the extra place, we'll paint that, right? So the black part stays black, and it will only silver and golden will come in flowers only, right? Like this. If you see, I'm gonna paint whatever is extra. And if this video goes more than 20 minutes, just don't mind it, guys, because I'm seriously this much is that much. It is worth, right? So this one, I'm gonna put some silver like this, because I cannot blow again and again, and I'm gonna paint it again and again, right? But if you see, the result is really beautiful, right? Thank you so much, guys, for being here for staying there for more than 20 minutes, 20 minutes. And I'm gonna take 25 minutes also, I don't mind, because at the end you are learning something real good. Oh my god, that silver powder has it has just messed my clothes like anything. My clothes are all messed up with silver powder, and I'm sure tomorrow then I'm gonna clean my studio. Dusting is a like. हो सके तो पतला वाला ब्रश लेना, because I don't have to, I'm using it. तो अगर आपके पास हो तो you use that पतला वाला brush and use. Okay? मैं ताला का जीवे दिल ना दुखाया कर, छोटी छोटी गलियां Okay, this thing is done, guys. I really need to close this thing, my hand. And if you see, my hands are messed out. I need to buy thinner now for this. So I'll show. Okay. So this is the final result, and if you see, my clothes are all messed out, and I need to show you guys my studio. I don't know if I have shown you earlier. I'll show you now. This is my nail art section, which all messed out. It's messy. Everything is there, and max of the thing is below this table, right? And this is my hair cutting section, and it's already dark. That is the only place my customer can sit. That's my fridge full of juices and all. And this is my makeup section. So everything is over here, makeup का सब कुछ related है ना. And that's my temple. Say we said ढोक दिन चुइन नेपाली to भगवान जी, right? And those are the product display place and all. That's a facial cabin, and this is a pedicure chair, and this is your shampoo station. This is my aquarium, and my guppy and my molly fishes are there. And at the end, this is me. Hi, thank you so much for being with me for more than 21 minutes and 23 seconds. Thank you so much, and enjoy your life. Have a beautiful and blessed evening. Stay safe, and much love with my dirty hand, and I'm gonna wash it off. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful evening to every one of you. Right? Take care. Jai Shri Ram.